speaking of mold and mildew, the other big thing for a lot of consumers when it comes to front load units is, of course, how do I keep the door closed? Because this is in a closet, this is in a hallway, but how do I also still vent the unit or keep fresh airflow and prevent that mold and mildew? This little guy right here, this is a little magnetic door vent that is part of the door design. And as you guys can see here, it's got like a little tip to it with a magnet so that the door can be virtually closed, still keeps it open, just a crack for fresh airflow in and out of the unit, but still allows you to comfortably close those closet doors. If this is in a hallway, you can make sure that they're closed and nobody's running around the corner and banging their knee or running into it, forgetting that it was wide open. So it really allows them to get the best of both worlds, a fresh vented unit, but also allows them to get that door almost virtually closed. It's spring loaded too, so once you pop it out, you never have to do anything else. So again, like if I want to close this, it's just going to pop into the door itself. And then when I open this back up, you'll notice that it popped right back out. It also can be turned to a lock position. So if you have little ones in the home, or we've even heard like cats and things like that, you don't want them accidentally locking themselves in there. The washer won't operate if the door isn't closed, so you can turn it to a lock position so that the spring deactivates, and so it truly won't allow you to close the door at all.
That's really smart. I've seen other brands that have that like door springy thingy, and like I've seen other brands that have magnets. I've never seen one with a child lock, but that's genius.
Listen, 2 for 1. So if we go ahead and close this, and let's say we want to vent this unit, but now we want to close these closet doors, you can comfortably close that.
And just in case you weren't already aware that I have ADHD, those are the coolest closet doors I've ever seen. We're just going to casually close this awesome designed door.
Don't mind me with my wonderfully fancy closet. But that being said, comfortably closing them, they're not like bumped out or anything like that. We don't have to leave one open for room for that door or anything like that. It's still just perfectly propped open.